Daisy. Daisy, you want to come see the letters? Huh? You want to come and see the letters and tell us what they are? Come on, Daisy. We're learning Q through V. Daisy May. Daisy. I guess she's not gonna play again tonight. Daisy, say hello. Say hello. All right. So tonight we're gonna learn Q, R, S, T, U, and V. There's only 6 tonight, so maybe we can get these. Hit the subscribe button and let your kids watch these over and over and over because repetition teaches. Okay, this is a different letter than most of the letters that we've seen so far. This letter is a Q. And it's got a little leg out here. You see this little leg right here? That's a leg. That's a Q's leg. So this is a Q, and it sounds like qua. Qua. But in order for it to be anything to be spelled with this, I would think, I don't know if there's any word that you can use right now. I can't think of any. But if you're going to make a word with Q, you have to most of the time have a U. So both of these letters together make qua. Queen, quit, and there's a lot of other letters. But right now we're just learning the letter Q, okay? So that's Q, and it makes the qu sound, okay? Q, R makes the r sound, like the dog says roof, roof. Okay, that is an R. And here is an S. Now, I know y'all can think of a letter that this one sounds like because, a name of something. This letter sounds like S. What does that sound like? S. Can you think of a name for this? It isn't a reptile that's actually shaped kind of like that. Snake. Don't they kind of look like a snake? So S is for snake. And then T, we have a T. Let's see. Y'all think of a word that sounds like T. Okay, it says T, T. You know of a word that says T? How about time? What time is it? Time. Your name might start with a T. T. Okay, and here's the U that we talked about that goes with that Q sometimes. Here's the U, and it's by itself. U sounds like It sounds like U. So is there something that we know of that sounds like that starts with How about umbrella? Umbrella. Umbrella. You gonna help us, Daisy? Daisy, come over here. We're learning about the U. You want to learn the U? She don't want to learn. Okay, there's U. Okay, and then one that kind of looks like the U. You see how that does? But this is not a U. This is a V. 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 So it makes the V sound. What is a word that we can think of that starts with the V? How about violin is an instrument? Vegetable. Vote. What else can we think of with a V? Okay. All right. Now let's start back up here at this. What was this letter? The one with that's got a leg. What's his name? Q. What does he sound? What sound does he make? Okay, Q. What is this one? R. And tell me what the dog says. Ruff. Ruff. S. That's an S. So what does it make? Snake. It looks like a snake too. And then we got a T. T. And then a U. U. And then a V. V. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. And then we'll have next W, X, Y, Z, W, X, Y, Z. And we always say, now I've sung my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! We're almost to the end, aren't we? So, we have Q, R, rough, S, as in snake. Good job, snake. T, U, V. What's the sound that the V makes? It's in the word. It's in the letter. V. Just like T. T. And then W. That is a W, like watermelon. That sounds delicious right now, don't it? W. And then here's one. You don't see him very often, but his name is X. You probably don't know any words with this letter, but it could be xylophone. Xylophone. It kind of sounds like another letter we're fixing to learn about, but it's on its own. Okay, and there's Y. And you ever heard of how about this? The letter yellow. Yellow. And here's the Z. What animal starts with this sound? Z. He is black and white striped. Kind of looks like a horse. A zebra. Zebra. Okay, so we have Q, R. Good job. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. Y'all are doing so good. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can watch these over and over and learn them really fast. Bye-bye.